Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In today's training, we're going to talk about what is the number one email marketing software that you should be using for your e-commerce business. Before we start, I just want to make it very clear that email marketing is not just simply sending out 3 emails as part of an abandoned cart sequence. Email marketing is much more in depth than just that. So you're going to build a list of people that know, like, and trust you. You're going to do this through providing content, providing value. Maybe you can send people to a blog. Maybe you can send people to some videos about whatever it is that they're passionate about. Know your audience, provide them with value. Don't just be selling all the time. That will just cause them to hate you. With email marketing, you're going to provide content, provide value, build that relationship. That way, when you promote something to them, they're going to be more inclined to purchase because you've built up that relationship. Klaviyo, it is by far the number one email marketing software. It is what you need to be using if you are doing e-commerce. I use this app. This is fantastic. It's fantastic for a number of reasons. One is the ease of use. I'm not super techy, but I understand how to use this software. It's very user-friendly, but it's also very advanced for people who know what they're doing. So I know how to do this, but I also have an email guy who's way more advanced at this than I am. One of the things that makes Klaviyo really powerful is that it can collect a lot of data on your customers. It can collect a lot of different data points. Because it can collect all those data points, it can also segment your list, right? Which means a group of people are exhibiting a particular behavior on your store. You can take all of those people and put them into one bucket. Maybe there's a people who are spending a certain amount of money on your store. You can take all of those people and put them into a bucket. You can segment your audience. And that's really powerful because then you can speak differently to maybe people who are spending more money compared to how you're going to speak to people who aren't spending much money. It's also really good because it allows you to, say somebody comes to your product page, they view it, you can get Klaviyo to automatically send out an email if you've already got their email address. Say they're a returning customer, you can get Klaviyo to send out an email to that person if they view that product. You can personalize it and customize it. It's got fantastic autoresponders campaigns. You can see here exactly like per email what the open rate is of that email, what the click rate is, how many people placed an order. You can actually measure, like, every email that you send out, how much money is that email making you on average every time it gets sent out. If you can see emails 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making you quite a bit of money, but email 6 isn't making any money at all, well, then you need to change email 6, right? And you just change it, and all of a sudden you've given yourself an amazing pay rise. Right here, we've got the dashboard. Now, this is really cool because you can see kind of in a month, in the last 7 days, really just breaks down how everything is going at that kind of 30,000 foot view. How much revenue each flow brought in over that set period of time. It's really easy to actually create emails as well. Super user friendly. Klaviyo is the number one email marketing software, perfect for people who are just starting out, people who aren't techie like myself, all the way to people who like my email marketing guy who can come in, who I can just plug into this, and he can really is uncapped with how much he can do because he knows how to take full advantage of those more advanced features. Definitely recommend Klaviyo for your email marketing. It is what I use for Shopify. Definitely check it out. And that's it for this video, guys. If you need any help at all building, growing, or scaling your e-commerce business, simply click the link below this video, come and schedule a call with me. We can have a really easy, friendly chat about your business and see if we're a good fit to work together. That's it from me, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.